Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening up some real brands from Miniverse. They do have pencil marks where it says Cheez-It on the side. This one is at the bottom of the E and it should have Spam in there, which is one I really want to see, so let's see if it's accurate. There's over 50 to collect and you get 5 per capsule, including one that you sort of have to assemble. So let's just dig in. Ah yes, we got some more Pringles, but this is the sour cream ones. Sour cream and onion, that is. Oh my gosh, finally! We have some Babybel Light. You should be able to actually open and peel those. I hate to cut this open, but we have to for science. And there's the shining star. We have some Spam. Ooh, with bacon. It's already wanting to come open. Ah, I'm gonna show you in a minute. We're gonna wait. See what the other ones are. We have a container. Oh, okay, we're putting together some dairy-free sorbet. This looks like Roman raspberry. Is that what that says? Okay, now I know the hack of how to get that out. We're not squeezing it out and hurting our precious little fingers. To give us a scooper, they have these grocery bags. And then we have some Rice Krispie treats. So this is the one that we semi have to assemble. I think there's a different one, like a mint chocolate chip, that you actually have to layer. So that's fun. But I'm just gonna go in and cut this open. If it's anything like the jelly and peanut butter, it's not really sticky. You can grab it with your hands. It's not messy or anything. Oh yeah, this one's completely different texture. It's like the kinetic sand, so. Let's cram it in there. I did have a little extra in my jam one, but it looks like we could compact that down pretty good. That's easy enough and not messy. That's the most important part. Not messy at all. Let's twist that lid back on. Does it twist? Nope, it snaps. Very cute. That's what it looks like, all assembled. And then you could actually use a scooper to scoop it out, play with it, put it back in there. I love that. Next up, let's look at the Spam. Oh my gosh, it's already sliced. Okay, so it comes in 2 pieces. This part is not sliced. And then they did slice 2 pieces. I love that. They do kind of have a rubbery texture to them. Adorable. So this is the bacon Spam. They also have the original one you could collect as well. So we have that. Let's look at this next. We have some Rice Krispie treats. Individually wrapped, I'm sure. Should be 2 in here. Interesting. So the package is pretty long, but it feels like the treat's like this tiny little area. I will cut one open nicely. You could always tape it back if you want to. Okay, I guess I can't avoid chopping the letters off there, so I'm sure my daughter will forgive me. Honestly, she's probably gonna rip all these out of the packaging, I could imagine. Oh, cute. So it's textured on one side, more flat, but you could still see the textures. Looks very realistic. That's how they look when you press them in the pan. That's so cute. So we have that. Oh, I'm scared to do the Babybel. It's just so cute, I don't want to open it. I guess you could kind of, okay, you could kind of do it gently. I could probably slide this off or just cut it and then it's sticky so you could tape it back together. We're just gonna do that, there we go. There is a rubber band, a clear band on here. That was doable to do that without cutting it, but slightly challenging. You'll have to leave me a comment. That's the question of this video. Question of the day. Are you going to leave yours as is, or are you opening them? Are you opening some of them? What are you doing with yours? These are adorable. Oh, I could feel it. It kind of feels waxy or rubbery. Let's carefully open one of these. I guess you can always reseal it if you really wanted to, as I flick it across the room. Okay, they just use like a clear little glue circle to seal that. Oh my god. It is rubbery. It literally has a little seal on it, just like the real ones at the store. Which means since it's rubber, you can probably tuck it back in there as well. Yep, you can slide it in and out without ripping that, so that's cool. So there's different ways you can use or display these if you wanted to. Oh my gosh, that is so hilarious. And it does have a bit of a squish to it. That is amazing. Amazing. And we've already seen the Pringles, but let's see if these are... I don't think they're going to be speckled because I don't think they are in real life. But you can pop the top. It is filled completely with Pringles. And they're curved and everything. The seal's a little bit tighter than that last one. But let me see if I open it far enough. They will come flying out. They're a little bit like wider than a typical Pringle. Again, I'm just throwing stuff everywhere. But they look like Pringles. They got the little duck beak thing that you could do with them. Isn't that fun? Adorable. I love these. So I think I already showed you everything. We have Pringles, the Spam, the ice cream that we can actually scoop because it's like that kinetic sand stuff that we've seen before, and the Babybels. So I will rate these, which are my favorite, because that's what I've been doing for the other videos. So I'm gonna go, even though I said I really wanted to see Spam, Babybel. That has to be my favorite. That is most creative in my opinion and unique. Followed by, I guess we'll do Spam, the Rice Krispie Treats, ice cream, and Pringles. I would say in that order. Let me know what your order is below and which ones you want to see, because I'm opening more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.